welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full review of a bike that continues to make waves in the entry-level cruiser segment, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300. If you're a new rider, or just looking for something light, stylish, and dependable for daily commuting or weekend fun, this motorcycle might be just what you're looking for. Let's take a closer look and find out if the 2025 model lives up to the Rebel name. The Honda Rebel 300's 2025 edition comes with a few subtle design tweaks that enhance its urban cruiser appeal. It still carries that iconic low-slung stance, fat tires, and boba-inspired aesthetic, but the paint options are refreshed with new matte finishes and a slightly revised LED headlamp for a bolder look up front. The blacked-out components from the frame to the engine casings give it a stealthy, modern vibe, while the sculpted fuel tank and short fenders keep the design minimal yet eye-catching. Climbing onto the Rebel 300, you're met with an comfortable seating position, perfect for both short and tall riders. The seat height remains low at around 27 inches, making it beginner-friendly and easy to handle in traffic. While cruisers traditionally lack storage or tech, the Rebel surprises with a new LCD display that's clear and simple, showing speed, fuel level, gear, position, and more. The bar and mirrors are well placed, and though this is a minimalist bike, it doesn't feel like it's missing anything essential for a modern rider. Under the tank, the Rebel 300 continues to use Honda's proven 286cc liquid-cooled engine. It's not the fastest machine out there, but it's incredibly smooth, responsive, and well-tuned for city riding and weekend cruising. With about 27 horsepower on tap and a 6-speed transmission, the bike offers a good balance of torque and fuel efficiency. Suspension remains a conventional setup with a 41mm front fork and twin rear shocks, which do a solid job of soaking up urban bumps. The lightweight chassis, combined with a curb weight of just under 370 pounds, makes the Rebel easy to maneuver and control at any speed. As for the brakes, the front and rear disc combo with optional ABS adds a layer of safety without adding bulk. It's beginner-friendly in every sense: predictable throttle, light clutch pull, and excellent stability even at low speeds. On the highway, the Rebel 300 can cruise comfortably at 65 to 70 miles per hour, though pushing beyond that may strain the engine a bit. The 2025 Honda Rebel 300 is priced competitively, coming in around $4,849 USD for the base model and a little higher if you opt for ABS. That's a great value for a bike that's this stylish, well-built, and rider-friendly. Honda also offers a range of accessories like saddlebags, windscreens, and custom seats, so you can personalize it to your liking. Asterisk, its lightweight frame and low center of gravity make every ride feel controlled and effortless, even for first-time riders. Asterisk, one of the standout features of the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 is how approachable it feels. Even to someone who's never ridden a motorcycle before, the throttle response is gentle but responsive, giving you confidence without feeling too aggressive. The gearbox shifts smoothly, and the bike remains incredibly stable even during low-speed maneuvers or tight cornering. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or taking a relaxed ride down a coastal highway, the Rebel feels like a natural extension of the rider. Asterisk, so whether you're a beginner looking to build confidence on two wheels or a seasoned rider wanting something easygoing and fun, the Rebel 300 continues to stand strong as one of the most accessible cruisers on the market. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 model. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next review.